Hey, what's up everybody? Today it is raining outside and I've been meaning to deal with this issue for a long time, and it has something to do with my windshield wiper blades, and it's just the fact that they chatter a lot. I live in Southern California, so we don't get a lot of rain, so windshield wipers haven't really been a huge priority for me. But today I just wanted to try something that I saw on YouTube and see if that'll work. All right, so here you can tell I've got some water on my windshield. I'm just gonna run the wiper blades and give you an idea of what it sounds like. A little chattery and not as smooth as it could be. I saw somebody putting some WD-40 on a rag and basically wiping down the blades. Silicone WD-40 is the better option. So I actually have myself here a can of the WD-40 silicone lubricant. And if you had watched my previous video about the FJ Cruiser's squeaking noise, I used this WD-40 silicone on some rubber bushings, and that helped prevent some squeaking. So if you haven't seen that video, go ahead and check that out right here. But anyway, since I have this on hand, I'm going to go ahead and give it a try and see how it works out for me. And ideally, it's probably best to do this all dry, but I'm going to go ahead and give this a go here and see how it works out. So hang tight. Just after a quick pass, here is what's left on the rag here. So let's just go ahead and see how that worked out. I'm actually going to go ahead and drive around for a little bit because I got to go pick something up. But I'm pretty confident that the chatter for the most part is gonna be gone. Give it another wipe here. So that's pretty quiet. It's not raining right now, and windshield is not sustaining any water right now. It's mildly sprinkly. I'm gonna run it for a couple cycles here, and even when it's relatively dry, there is no noise, so that's encouraging. So it sounds like the WD-40 silicone lubricant is working very well. So if you have chattery windshield wipers, go ahead and give that a try because it seems to be working well. I am getting some mist on the windshield, so the wipers are pretty much effective. And they're not chattering right now, so that's encouraging. So give it one more go there, so you can see there that it's a pretty quiet windshield wiper wipe. And it looks like the WD-40 silicone lubricant has done exactly what I was hoping it would do. So if you have chattery windshields, go ahead and give that a try. Make sure that the WD-40 is the silicone version, not just the regular WD-40, which isn't as friendly with rubber as the silicone would be. Pretty quiet windshield. gotta admit, the windshield wipers always used to bother me because the speed of it, I wish there was a setting in the middle, like it's either too slow or too fast. It needs like one more setting. And so I found myself manually using the wiper because of the chatter, really. Like if it's raining like it is now and there's consistent chattering, it's kind of annoying to run when the speed is too fast or too frequent. So that's one of my gripes. I just wish that there was one more in-between setting for the FJ Cruiser's windshield wipers. So yeah, that's that. Hopefully that was helpful. I thought that I would give that a try to see if that works, and it seems to work well for me. So yeah, thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you